All right. All right. Hello, everyone. It's the voice of Jimmy FX. And today we're going to be looking at the pound USD, the euro GBP, and the euro Aussie. All right. Without any further ado, let's just go into the chart. All right. Yesterday we spoke about this thing. All right. And we said we want to see price breaking out of this structure here. 0.87300. We want to see price breaking above. All right. And then today we are saying that price has made a break above. All right. Price has made a break above structure. Now, what do you want to see after a break above the structure? All right. What do we want to see a break above after the structure? Let's talk about this back here at the academy. And back here, we understand the students, based on the education which we have received and which I myself have been giving out, that the failed reversal pattern or failed continuation pattern is actually a reversal pattern. All right. From this point, you can identify that here, the downtrend. All right. From this point, you can then start marking a point here. All right. So this could be our 0 to A, BRB, for all I know. All right. So this is BRC. All right. And for a continuation pattern, we want to see a retest of the A, again price, and then start a rally to the downside. All right. That's for continuation pattern. All right. For the reversal pattern, we had it at price broke above, which we are at the moment, testing the 0.88500. And we want to see a retest, all right, of this structure here, which is the 87400. So we want to see a retest of this structure here. All right. From that, we can then start drawing conclusions that here is the right shoulder, here is the left shoulder. All right. Here can be termed as our hip. Okay, let's make it a little bit colorful. It can be termed as our hip. All right, so here can be our left shoulder. And here, we can turn it out to be our right. Which is about to be formed and what we expect to be up to 8,500. All right, so we can open a buy from this point, target the 88,500 from this point when the retests have come, or when the retests will come. From that point, this will be our first target. All right, and on the retest of this impulse, we expect a correction. All right, about 50%. So if we should go zoom in, all right, why do we expect a retest of this zone after this impulse? After this right shoulder completed, because this is the kind of structure. All right, there's a structure here, and we expect market to come down retest. All right, the wider level. So if you use our Fibonacci, if you want to have an information of a correction of an impulse, we take the Fibonacci from the low to the high, and we boom. This really aligns better with the 50% Fibonacci, all right? Because in between the 38.2 and the 58.1 is the 50%, all right? So this aligns better, all right? So from there on, start drawing conclusions that we can then look to buy to the upside. Right. Upside to targets. All right. Okay. The next thing we're going to be analyzing will be the pound USD. All right. On Sunday we spoke about this day that we want to see a reversal from this point because for market to have made a push into this area, we did see market possibility of market breaking above from this point. All right. We want to see a retest or a pullback. All right. Into this area. From there, we can evaluate the situation and see if we can have a buy or we still continue for a sell inside this area. Okay. So from the daily, you can see that the market have actually broken below the structure here. And if you use a line chart, all right, you can identify clearly that this was a structure here, and market have broken below. All right. So after an impulse, what you want to see after an impulse is a correction. All right. So we expect to see market starting to make a correction to this area. All right. Once that can happen, we look to sell from that point into this target here. All right. From this sell here, we will then reevaluate the situation around this point. But first, before we do that, we need to evaluate what kind of transaction we're going to be having here in the pullback because we don't want to be selling when price making a strong move. All right. We need to evaluate the situation when price comes back here for a retracement, which we're actually expecting. And then we can evaluate the situation inside of this area. Be sure what we want to be doing inside this area. But before then, I will let the students back here at the academy be informed before then of what we expect of the market to do from this point. All right. So move first to the Euro AUD. All right. I spoke about this day in the morning. I want to see a bounce of this level because this looks like a double bottom. You can see the fractals here very close. Okay, the fractals down here are very close, all right, to each other. But we can start saying that price will actually, from this point, make a push. All right. So first, we can draw conclusion that during the trend, during the push to the downside, that price was actually inside this trend line. All right, and we can say that this is a retracement. A retracement is mostly 80 out of 100% inside of the channel, and choppy price action is a retracement. You can see an impulse is a clean movement to the upside. So we are seeing that price actually broken above this trend line and breaking out. All right, but we cannot be involved in a trade right now at the moment. First, before we get involved, we want to see price breaking this structure here. I will not really explain for now, but if you should check out my video on YouTube, you will see the video I made about hidden structures in the market. All right, I want to see this structure being broken and price trading above it. All right, what I want to see, and on the retest, we'll look to long. All right, and by setting definition, all right, long the dip on the top. Right, so from there, we'll get super to the maximum reward from that point. Wow, boom, 1,400 pips, and our risk that wonderful trade, a profit, a reward, the 1,400 pips, and our risk to be 400. All right, so that will be a good trade from this point on. But for now, we cannot have a trade, and we cannot open a trade inside of this area where price is, because we can have it that price can actually come up here and have a bounce inside of this area. The corner, all right, and then still continue to push the downside, all right, but that we do not know at the moment. But what we know clearly that we want to see any of these two happening, and with a clear indication or a clear confirmation, we will look to long or to short with the students, depending on the structure which the market will be presenting to us. All right. So that situation is the 3 page which we marked out on this session. And before we go, this is a quick recap. Okay. You can be part of the academy. At the moment, we have flagged the price. It goes for 100,000 for 3 months. All right. So, but before then, you can simply take advantage of the free live sessions. The UNFX session Monday Frankfurt and Wednesday Frankfurt. All right. You can take advantage of the free sessions. But if you want to be part of the academy, if you want to get to learn on how you can trade profitably and successfully, which is part of the academy, the 100,000 for 3 months, you get a complete forex trading, you get full access to our trade signals, all right? And you can also learn computer appreciation and other ICT related courses, all right? So you can add to your knowledge of what you have already. So that looks affordable and looks cheap. So you have to take advantage of this opportunity to be part of the team, all right? The essence of the 3 sessions we're having now and we're running now is to help you build your capital and to help you build your equity. All right. So during this lockdown, it's our little portal, it's our little way of actually contributing to the society by giving out our little portal as we're contributing to the world in general and giving out the education which will help you and will put you on course to the next level. I look forward to be seeing you tomorrow during the Frankfurt session, which I will unveil more opportunities where you can actually make those hits. Take care and have a wonderful day.